Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shafe Tech. Today I will show you how to clean your car from winter salt road particles that are accumulated on your car. After this cleaning process, your car will look as clean as like this. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon. I am using a sprayer gun that can easily be attached to a garden hose. It has a comfortable grip with an on-off switch. It has a shampoo bottle. It has a flow control switch. It has a nozzle with different flow settings, and I'll show you quickly how you can open the bottle. That's how you can open the bottle. It has all the markings. I think it goes from 0 to 100 ml, and it's very convenient and very lightweight, very easy to use. Before starting the cleanup, I will give you a quick walkthrough of the car engine bonnet, and you can see that there are road salt everywhere, all over the place in the front of the car, and these are some high spots, and if you clean them without a proper method, then you will end up with the scratches on your car. I am using this Simmons wash and wax shampoo. It's very economical and very easy to use. Open your container bucket for the shampoo, fill in it with the shampoo. I'm just cleaning the bonnet, so I'll using it halfway only, and if you're cleaning the whole car, maybe you can fill it up to the full level. With the shampoo container installed back in the sprayer, check your flow control switch. How much foam do you need? So for my purpose, I'll be using it on the maximum foam level, and so because we need to remove all the dirt and debris from the car. After you finish spraying the foam on the car, let it sit down for a couple minutes so that it can soak in all the dirt in it, and that's how it will look like once we have fully soaked the car with the foam. Now it's time to rinse your car with the clean water. From the flow control switch, change the settings to the water only. After this process, you will have your car almost clean without touching the car. this cleaning process does its job. Hopefully the video was helpful. Remember to like this video, leave me your comments below, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more car videos.